So we're here in the beautiful port of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, and this is a favorite for many cruisers here on the West Coast, and there are a lot of options whether you choose to go with the cruise line excursion or out on your own. One thing to keep in mind though is that this is a tender port, so make sure you allow extra time to get into Cabo San Lucas prior to your excursion. Now we are doing a Land's End boat tour. This is through Carnival Cruise Line. It's not a very long excursion. We're going to check it out and let you know what we think.
So Steph and I really enjoyed this excursion. We were looking for a way to get out and get some great photos and video of the Cabo San Lucas Arch, also known as Land's End, and we feel like we got exactly what we were looking for. This was a very relaxing ride on board a catamaran with water and non-alcoholic beverages served during this excursion. In addition to the main event, we also got to see some wildlife like seals, sea lions, and pelicans. And some of the passengers on our boat actually caught a glimpse of a whale spout. I wasn't quite quick enough to get any good camera shots, but maybe next time. The short duration of this excursion was great as it allowed ample time for other activities in port like tequila shots. Now we would recommend this for anyone who's looking for a relaxing boat ride with some amazing views. It's important to note that you will be required to take a few steps up and down to access the boat, and the restrooms on board are not ambulatory accessible. What are your favorite things to do in Cabo San Lucas? Please leave us a comment down below to let us know. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember, life is short. Cruising is fun. See you next time.